Today on Sam's Diecast, we're going to be unboxing 6 N-Case Hot Wheels from 2021. Got some interesting ones, like the Nissan R390 recolor, Subaru Impreza, Mad Splash Turtoshell, Airuption, and a 15 Charger RT from the Hot Wheels Rescue. We got 6 different vehicles here that we're going to be opening up today. If you haven't seen it already, I opened up 8 other cars from N-Case for 2021 on this video, which I will link in the description. But yeah, let's get tearing into these. I'm going to try to do some more case unboxings like this, more mass unboxings. I want to be like that kind of channel on YouTube, Today, first of all, we got this Nissan R390 GT1 from Factory Fresh, 9 of 10, 138. It's a new for 2021 model. N-Case, GTB74, and you can read that there. It's actually different than the blue version. Has a different description than the blue one does. I opened up the blue one on the previous video. Let's get the red one open. That's a good clean open there. You can take a nice look at that. Red one, and I got a blue one too. Check out the previous video. This thing is cool. You can look at that nice red color. Looks like a slight metal flake in that. Like in the details there. Just an overall good looking casting. I really like the painted headlights and the painted taillights. This is Factory Fresh, 9 of 10. And this is a recolor, so I'm really liking that. Factory Fresh is my favorite series. There's the black plastic base. Turtoshell recolor for the N-Case. Street Beast, number 5 of 5 for 2021. Best for track as well. New for 2021. 172 of 250. These are all scored at a Walmart around maybe a few weeks ago. GTB77 from N-Case. And you can read that there. I will do an individual unboxing on the first color of this vehicle, and I will read everything. But since I'm unboxing 6 cars, I'm not going to read everything. But this, very cool and very good story behind this one. Really liking it. Here's the red Turtoshell. Really liking the new recolor on this one. Oh, gotta spin those wheels. That's just how I roll. Alright, that was the worst joke I've ever made, but anyways, you can see that there, getting my fingerprints all over it, but I'll clean it off later. We got some RA6 wheels on this one, and this one has red and chrome. Pretty cool, liking that. Really love the eyes on this one. Just a nice looking vehicle. Yeah, nice. Metal base and a plastic top. Made in Malaysia. Turtoshell. Cool casting. Mad Splash from Hot Wheels Race Team. 6 of 10. 222 on the year. It's like a boat, but with wheels. Kind of weird. GRY23. Cool Hot Wheels inspired race vehicles. Not much more to say about this one. Let's just get it open. If I can find the corner there. Sort of clean on that open there. Great spinning front wheels on that one. Liking the clear wheels and the clear bottom. It's like water. It's like a boat on top of that flat blue. The flat blue is all metal. Liking that chrome engine right there. Interesting gear down there. Give you a nice look at those tampos. It's like a wave, like a rolling wave. It almost looks like a surfboard. It's kind of weird. It's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, cool casting. Back of it there. Base. Like how it's clear, you can actually see the bottom of the metal from this base. Really liking this Mad Splash. 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Very long name, very cool casting. This is the recolor for the N-Case. HWJ Imports, Hot Wheels J Imports, Japanese Imports, 1 of 10. 124 on the year. This is my favorite one of them all. N-Case. Really liking this one. Subarus have been getting a lot of views on YouTube. Sorry about that. Had to bonk the tripod there, but I got a nice clean open on it, so it was worth it. This thing is cool. This thing... Don't dislike for that, please. That would hurt my feelings. That would really hurt my feelings. But anyways, this is a cool Subaru Impreza from 1998. In this nice metal flake gray. I like how there's no tampos, there's just headlights. There's like purple tampos right there. Nice view of the grille. I did actually get a dislike on my last end case unboxing. It was kind of sad, but I don't care. I just really like doing what I love. Oh wow, really tattered windows there. Interior, back. Plastic base. Just an overall great looking car. I've heard some say that this is the best new Hot Wheels. So I'll definitely be putting this one in the title. This is definitely a highlight of the video, my favorite one of this video. Hot Wheels Rescue 15 Dodge Charger SRT. This can go 204 miles an hour in real life. I know, right? I was shocked to see that. HW Rescue, Bester Track, 7 of 10. 228 on the year. Oop, didn't quite mean to zoom in that much there. Really liking this one. There's an ID version, which I also like, but I haven't gotten yet. Liking this, it's like a rescue. Beautiful. Kind of shook that up there. Would you consider that a clean open? Let me know in the comments below. Really liking this yellow. Liking the striping on that. Rescue 7 on the sides. Liking the colors on the tampo. Red line J5 rims. Not true red lines. Open windows. Steering. Cool. Love the end case cars. End case is probably one of my new favorite cases. This is Dodge right there. Give you a nice look at those tampos. Really cool. Liking the V-shaped light bar on the top. That is my favorite design of them. No painted taillights. That's okay though. They made for it. They made up for it in that nice tampo finish and the nice red windows. Plastic base, made in Malaysia. Cool casting. New recolor of the Airuption in this nice black with orange base. This is a metal on metal casting. I have a single unboxing of the first color of this pretty early on in my channel. Go check it out. I'll link it in the description. Hot Wheels Space 2 of 5 with a special feature. It has opening wings, 150 on the year. There's a special feature. Loving the Hot Wheels Space series. Now, let's get this one out. Hopefully I can get a nice clean open. Oh, need to save that. When it comes out like that, you know it's not going to come out clean, so you have to save it like that. There we go. Feeling the metal clinking on this one. Like those gold trap 5s. Give you a nice shot of those wheels. The first time they were actually cyan wheels. Cyan, however you want to pronounce it. That was pretty cool. Black Hole Patrol. Got a little chip on that. Wow. Completely missing the L on that. I think that's just a tampo flaw. Not a true error. I can see black paint chips coming off the rivets. One of 3 rivets. Actually, there's 3 rivets on this casting. Liking that. Liking that. And I will open these wings. And they come out like, it's like a butterfly, kind of. First debuted in 2018, this casting. Liking that, like, super exhaust supercharger. Cool casting. Like to see this out of the packaging. Metal on metal. And that's cool. Airuption, made in Malaysia. Yes, I know how it's pronounced. By Americans, at least. Thanks for watching. Just opened up 6 N-Case cars from 2021. This is my favorite one. Beautiful 1998 Subaru WRX. Or no, it's not a WRX. It's an Impreza STI 22B. Really liking that one. And I love the recolor there of this Nissan and this charger. Any concerns about the video, just let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions for me to improve my videos, please no hate, and just tell me in the comments below, and I can be sure to fix it if there's any problems. I'll see you guys in the next video. Really love you guys. Be sure to subscribe for more. It's free, and it doesn't hurt. Like, who's gonna notice you're subscribed to Sam's Diecast?